Let's look at this question now. Point C is located at a distance of 100 kilometers from A. 2 points B and D are located along the way from A to C such that A, B, D, and C lie in a line. So this is A, right? And this is C. It is given further the distance between AB is 25% of the distance between AD. Okay, so AB is 1/4 of the distance between AD. Also, the distance between CD is 1/4 of distance between BC. So can I say that D would be here? This D would be here and B would be here, so that I can divide these lengths in this ratio. 1:3 is to 1, right? CD is 1/4 of BC, 1/4 of BC, right? So BC is 4 units. This is 1/4 1, and AB is 1/4 of AD. So I can write it as 1:3. Now, usually, total distance is 100. So I can write the total distance as it would be 20 kilometers. It would be 20 kilometers. And three parts would be 60 kilometers. And remaining would be 20 kilometers, right? So these are three stretches. Now, usually RC travels from A to B at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. And from B to C at a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, right? Today, he traveled from A to D at a distance that is equal to his usual average speed from A to C. So first I need to find the average speed from A to C. So average speed average from A to C would be equal to total distance upon total time taken, and distance is 100. Total time taken, because he first goes from A to B at a speed of 10, right? So time taken would be 20 by 10 plus remaining distance B to C, that is 80 at a speed of 20. So that would be 2 and 4, right? So you can write it as 100 upon 6. This is the average speed from A to C. This is the average speed, kilometers per hour, right? Now today he traveled from A to D at a speed that is equal to his average speed from A to C. तो A to D को किस स्पीड पे जाएगा? इस स्पीड पे, and finish the remaining, that is D to C, at a distance of 6.25, speed of 6.25. What was his average speed while going from A to C? Now, this was the case earlier, right? And what is the case now? Now, the speed average from A to C would be, total distance is 100. Total time taken would be, first he go from A to D, first A from A to D, and this distance is 80, and he travels at a speed of 100 by 6 plus. Next is DC, that is 20, and he goes at a speed of 6.25, right? Let's just calculate this value. So this get cancelled, 2 4 times, 2 5 times, and this would be 00. I can cancel out with 25 times, 25 80 times, right? 5 16 upon 5, right? So 4 upon 5, 16 upon 5. This would be equal to 100 upon 4 upon 5 plus 16 upon 5, and that is equal to 100. If I take LCM, it becomes 5, and this is 20. Sorry, I made some mistake. So it has to be 4 into 6. This is actually 24. 24 plus 16 is 40. This is not 20. So this is 40. 40 when divided by 5 would give me 8. So I get the final average speed as 100 by 8, and that is equal to 12.5 kilometers per hour, right? So correct answer has to be option D.